Wow, you took everything out of it. Oh my goodness.
I never took this one apart.
You didn't? Wow. And can you tell me what all these pieces are for?
Okay. So these are the 2 wheels.
Those are the wheels.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also this is the motor.
That's the motor?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's so easy to get out.
Yeah, okay. What else do you have?
And also these are the brushes to get the dirt inside of the dustbin. And the dustbin opens like that.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And also the wheel also clicks in like that.
That's another wheel?
Yeah, but and also this is for the brush that goes on. Side brush.
That's a side brush? Okay. And what's that green thing?
And this is the battery.
That's the battery?
Yeah.
It's so small.
And also this is the cover.
Oh, that's the cover. Wow. Okay.
This battery's so heavy. Hold it.
Whoa, that is really heavy. Oh my gosh. Oh, whoa. All right, and you know how to put all that back in there?
I know. And this is how I hold the Roomba.
It's empty.
Yeah.
Do you think it works?
No! It's supposed to be on the floor, but
There's nothing inside of it. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna go show people.
Yeah, go show 'em.